A body initially at rest and sliding along a frictionless track from a height h as shown in figure just completes a vertical circle of diameter AB is equal to d. The height h is equal to, we have to determine the height of the initial position of the body. Option A 5 by 4d, d means diameter of the circular track, B is 3 by 2d, and C 7 by 5d, and D is D. See what is the question. एक ऑब्जेक्ट है at height h, situated at height h on an inclined plane, and a circular track है, एक circular track है, looping loop. When this object is sliding down along this track, ये एक चक्कर ऐसे काटता है. It completes circular motion along this path. In order to maintain the circular motion, vertical circular motion, we know that velocity at bottom should be under root of 5gr, where r is the radius of the circular track. Say this is the center and this is the r, this distance is r and this distance is diameter. For completing the vertical circle, the minimum velocity at point A should be under root of 5gr. And r means what? D divided by 2. Therefore, radius r is equal to d divided by 2, means velocity at A should be under root of 5 by 2 g into d, where g means acceleration due to gravity and d is the diameter of the circular track. अगर इसकी स्पीड इतनी है तो वो सर्कुलर मोशन परफॉर्म करेगा. अप्लाइंग द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ है तो उसकी मैकेनिकल एनर्जी मैक्सिमम है और काइनेटिक एनर्जी जीरो. अगर यहाँ आता है तो उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जीरो. In this case, this all potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Means potential energy of the object at height h at O is equal to kinetic energy at point A. Therefore, applying the law of conservation of mechanical energy, potential energy at O is equal, potential energy at O means here is equal to kinetic energy at point A. Say the point O is here. The potential energy at O is equal to kinetic energy at point A. Potential energy is given by mgh is equal to kinetic energy is given by half mva square. Therefore, mgh is equal to half m as it is, and the value of va is under root of 5 by 2 gd, and taking the square on both sides we get 5 by 2 gd. This will be the value of v square. M will be get cancelled, gg will be get cancelled, h is equal to 5 by 4 into d. Therefore, height of the object at point O is equal to 5 by 4d, means 5 by 4 times the diameter. Therefore, the answer is A. Thank you.